to our YouTube channel. My name is Suman and you are watching Real Mix channel. Today I will show you how to connect your mouse with your Android phone. So let's start. Uh, First of all, you need an Android mobile, then you need a OTG cable and you need a mouse. So first of all, I will connect my OTG cable with my mobile charging point. So now I will connect my OTG with my mouse. So you will see a red color light in your mouse. Then you will see a mouse point. This is a mouse point. So first of all, I'm going to play a song. Just like I went to menu, then I went to music. Now I'm going to play my song. Just like I played this song, now I will go to home. And so you get on your Wi-Fi, everything you can do with your mouse. So I'm going to stop my song. This was only you need to do. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you just give a like, share, and please comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.